Inventory levels went down again this week. That's the first week after week decline since the pandemic started. Let's get into it and take a closer look at the Phoenix real estate market. The overall inventory absorption rate went down to 1.8 months, or 1.7%, from last week's 1.83 months of inventory. Active listing inventory is down this week 2% from 14,313 to 14,144 homes for sale. Sold listings were up 0.5% this week from 23,403 to 23,477. So breaking the numbers down, this is a momentous milestone as it's the first time the inventory absorption rate has gone down in consecutive weeks since the pandemic started. And remember, a lower inventory absorption rate means it's a stronger market for sellers, which means prices should remain steady. On the mortgage front, mortgage insurance is getting more expensive, and loans that would allow you to put less than 20% down are getting harder to come by. Rates are still historically low, below 4%, so the only effect we could see is the inventory levels might rise a bit due to less buyers in the market. Our inventory levels are still historically low though, so it shouldn't impact us much on the short run. Here's what the pricing bands look like this week. $0 to $300,000 went down to 1.26 months of inventory from 1.3 last week. $300,000 to $500,000 went down to 1.64 months of inventory from 1.65 last week. $500,000 to $750,000 went down to 2.89 months of inventory from 2.95 last week. $750,000 to $1 million went down slightly to 4 months of inventory from 4.01 last week. $1 million to $2 million went up slightly to 5.62 months of inventory from 5.58 last week. Over $2 million edged up again this week to 12 months of inventory from 11.69 last week. The big takeaway this week, inventory levels are not exploding like unemployment is. This is due to the severe lack of housing available in Phoenix. I know I sound like a broken record, but with only 1.8 months of overall inventory, we would have to see inventory levels rise so quickly, just spike, and drastically up to 40,000 homes for sale just to be in what used to be a normal market in the past, which is 6 months of inventory. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching and stay safe. If you have any questions about Phoenix real estate, you know who to contact.
Why are you still watching this? It's over with.